live?
Think so. And that's viewers and the other stuff. Where did that pop up live chat go?
Oh, we have 5 viewers.
This is the chat.
Yeah.
Where did you see 5?
4.
All right, okay. Hello, guys. We're just trying to figure out what we're doing.
Basically. Okay. It's Henry Gray, Anatomical Society. Anatomy Society. Or just start.
Yeah, can do. We can wait for a few more people.
Okay.
I think we'll wait till like 3 past, just to like hope that everyone's joined, and then we'll make a start. Yay. Oh, if anyone has questions or wants to say anything, you know.
Just put it in the chat.
Yeah, just put it in the chat. Got 7 now. 6, 1 left.
Can you stop counting it out loud?
While we're here, might as well say a few things.
Yeah.
My name is Noor. We're going to repeat this in literally about 2 minutes.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm the president this year of Henry Gray.
My name is Chisholm Ayaji. I'm the vice president of Henry Gray.
Yeah. We're very excited this year to take on Henry Gray because it's a big society in St. George's, and we have a lot of stuff that we do for students, especially when it comes to like academic events and revision.
Yeah.
A lot of stuff that we do close to exams as well to help out students. So it's an honor to be helping you guys out. I hope you enjoy our little stream and get to know us a little more.
Yeah.
Do you want to say anything?
Yeah, Henry Gray will literally save your life. If that is one thing I can say. Like, they have all the resources. You will never need to look anywhere else. And yeah, I think you should just like, subscribe, whatever. But just join our mailing list to get all the info, because we have textbooks, we have like, well, you see on the PowerPoint. But basically, yeah, if you want to succeed at St. George's, this is a good starting point.
We can make a start now, shall we?
Okay.
Cool. So, hopefully the screen isn't black and you guys can see the PowerPoint presentation.
Yeah.
So, we'll begin with history. So, why the society isn't just called Anatomy Society is because of this guy called Henry Gray. And it's what the society is based on. He was a famous student here at St. George's in like the 1800s. And he's very famous for writing the textbook, Gray's Anatomy, which is considered the authoritative anatomy textbook for all medical students. And I'm sure you've seen maybe the TV show, Gray's Anatomy, and as you can see, we've got a little textbook here. He was a very, very enthusiastic student. He loved anatomy, and he loved surgery, and he was part of the Royal Anatomy Society of England when he was like 25, so he was already surgeon by then. So we basically want to show his eagerness and his enthusiasm and his spirit for anatomy and surgery through every member. So that's why it's called Henry Gray Anatomy Society.
Okay, so this slide is just basically about what we do. Like, if you struggle with anatomy in any way, we have got you, because basically anatomy is going to be very new for a lot of people. Maybe not if you're a JEPS and you may have done a few things, but this society is like, we do all round stuff. We have weekly revision sessions, so anything you learn at uni, we then like kind of take it and then break it down to make it easier for learning and then give it back to you guys. We have exam guides, we have revision life hacks, we have clinical anatomy teachings that will be life-saving in later years, and even now. We have really detailed notes that we basically make notes and then we send them out to all our members. We have question banks, we have so many social events planned this year. We have online quizzes, competitions, and a society textbook that's going to be coming out for non-clinical and clinical years. So, yeah.
Yeah, we've got a lot of stuff. Right, so this is our mission. We want to just deliver student-centered teaching. And what we mean by that is when you have your anatomy teaching, you'll be met with a lot of different demonstrators who are going to teach you anatomy. And some can sometimes be condescending, some can just teach you by the textbook and not let you ask questions and so on. But we want to provide a place where you can go, and if you're struggling with anatomy, you can come to us and say, I'm struggling with this, and we'll help you. So it's all student-centered, it's towards what you guys want. And this is our quote: transform anatomy stress into anatomy excitement.
Woo-woo!
And I say this because even in my first year, having like the first anatomy lesson was so stressful and there was so much stuff to learn. But yeah, Henry Gray for me in my first year taught me to be excited rather than to stress about it, and it got me very enthusiastic towards anatomy.
Oh. Okay, yeah, so what did we do last year? So we had a weekly dissection room teachings, which I've previously mentioned. We had a winter exam lecture series. We had mock OSPEs. St. George's is not great with giving you mock OSPEs. We'll just put that out there. You need all the practice you can get, and Henry Gray will give it to you. We had a national neuroanatomy competition training, and can we just say we came like what, first, third, fourth?
Yeah.
And
we took all the prizes.
Exactly. So we have companion notes, we have question banks and worksheets, and university poster. We did a university poster presentation competition last year as well. Yeah.
Just the companion notes, if anyone doesn't get what that means, it's kind of like your companion to anatomy. They're like, instead of buying a gigantic textbook, we have these condensed notes that teach you everything that you need to know for the St. George's course of anatomy, and it will be like perfect for exams. That's why we call them companion notes.
Because they're your best friend.
Best friend, exactly, yeah. So, this poor skeleton is crying, oh no. So we made this slide just to basically tell you what uni does for anatomy. So number one, anatomy is not easy, and I say that very sincerely. You really are thrown in the deep end, and you are expected to memorize so much. You're expected to learn a new language, to learn Latin and Greek and random words. You're meant to learn so many different parts of the body in such little time. And putting this like alongside your actual teaching, your biology side and chemistry side, it's quite hard. And the uni doesn't really do much except just have the demonstrator lectures and so on like that. So we provide that space that could be a bit better. The university also does not supply question banks for anatomy. It does this for all teaching and all exams that you have, but you don't really get questions. You don't get exam papers or past papers. There's nothing that the uni will provide that will kind of help you test your knowledge. So that kind of sucks. Anatomy textbooks are very pricey, and we are talking hundreds of pounds. You can search them on Amazon. The more expensive they get, the better they are, but honestly, spending hundreds of pounds just on an anatomy textbook is something that students can't always afford, yeah. And last year, the university only organised one mock OSPE.
Ooh.
That's why we were saying, you know, when it comes to exams, you need as much help as you can get, like as much practice, past papers, mocks and so on, but no past papers, only one mock. It's quite a difficult life.
And even about the textbook, oh no, you can leave it. Even about the textbook thing, like sometimes you can buy a really expensive textbook and it's just not helpful to your method of learning. So just come with Henry Gray. So yeah, this slide, as it says, be happy with Henry Gray. So we softly transition our students into anatomy through beginner workshops and lessons. So we don't just throw in the deep end, we gently guide you from the shallow end into like deeper learning of anatomy. We supply question banks before all your exams, and we have weekly quizzes as well on our social media, so Instagram and Facebook. So if you just follow those as well, you'll be having like weekly practice, so you just learn it like gradually. So we provide students with our handmade textbook, which Noah was saying was our companion, and it's basically split into beginner and advanced anatomy to basically help you kind of start off where you are and then get better. And we hold mock OSPEs before every anatomy exam to basically help you practice. Yeah.
We're that helping hand. Okay, next. It's quiz time.
Oh, okay.
You have the cute thing.
Yeah.
So yeah, we wanted to hold a little quiz for you guys to test your anatomy knowledge and see how you guys do. We'll set that up in just a second. If you guys can go on kahoot.it, we will give you a code to enter, and then you should be waiting to start this little quiz.
Should we type? Let's type the code in the.
Yeah, I can do. Yeah. I'll enter the code as well in case anyone doesn't hear it well. By the way, again, if you have any questions, just type it in the chat and we can answer it live.
Yeah.
And if you don't want to ask questions now, you can always email us. Our email, we have an Instagram and a Facebook, which we're going to link in a second, that you can follow and DM if you've got any questions, whether it's to do with anatomy or the society itself. Just ask ahead.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm just going to click it and the code should come up in a second.
Okay, so this is the code 35035517. So if you just type in that code, you should be entered. Oh, it says put your name in as well. We advise to put in your real name because the winner, we're hoping, to give them free subscription. The top 3 will get a free subscription to Henry Gray for the whole year.
Yeah.
So that includes all our events and all the notes that we were talking about, everything.
It's very worth it.
Flying crab,
Wow.
right? Exactly what we wanted. Is it just flying crab? Arctic wolf. This is good. Epic hamster. Very nice. How long more do we wait? Okay, we'll wait 30 seconds more.
Yeah. Okay.
Aquatic dolphin. These are amazing names. Champion. Okay.
I feel like
this is yeah.
Okay, so I turned off the naughty nickname thing.
Oh my god.
So I think it's just changing everyone's thing. I'm really sorry, guys.
We will figure this out.
We'll figure out. Yeah. Just take a screenshot of your name, what your name is, and then if you win, then we can see it. Okay. So
we might as well start. We'll start this quiz. Why not?
Okay. Oh, should wait till 6:13.
Okay, fine. We'll wait. Yeah.
So
We'll wait just a little longer.
Can you hear the music?
Oh. Do we get to dissect human bodies or just organs?
Oh, we'll talk about this after. What we do.
Yeah. We've seen your questions. We will answer them. Just when we finish the quiz, we'll answer all the questions that we get.
Oh,
so keep them coming.
Yeah, they were saying we can't pick a name.
Yeah, I saw that you can't generate a name. Sorry about that. Okay, might as well start.
Okay.
Okay, let's see how you guys do.
Can they see this? Okay. Can you see the question? Exercise question 1, 2, 1. Okay, so since they can't
they can't see the question.
We may have to go like this. How do you see what? Sorry. Okay, so the question is: a man loses his finger in a skiing accident. How many fingers does he now have? Okay. That
one, amazing, guys. Good job. See that? One person who put in an answer. Yeah. I hope everyone can see it like this, maybe.
Should we just open it on here? Or should we?
Can you see it like this?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll stick with this.
Okay.
How do you click next? Okay. Who got the right answer? Epic hamster. Well done, Epic hamster. Good job, guys. A little more that way. There we go.
So the question is, what is the first organ to be supplied oxygenated blood by the heart? It feels weird about the music.
Yeah, I'll... Oh, okay. We've got one person right who wrote heart.
Okay.
The others went for lungs. All right, good try, good try.
I mean, it is tricky, but... Yeah.
It's a tricky one.
Yeah.
It's a tricky one. Next. All right.
So the statement is the tongue is the strongest muscle in the body. Yeah. And is it true or is that false? cute picture.
4 right, 2 wrong. Yeah, it is
Also-
false. The right answer is actually a masseter, which is what we used to chew with. Our cheek muscle. Wait, we got it. Somewhere here. There you go.
Good job.
Ooh, bold boa is on top now. It's getting close. Another true or false. Humans only use 10% of their brains. Three, alright, 50-50.
Oh.
It is false. Humans use all of their brains. Maybe not wisely, but I can definitely confirm that they do use all of it. Epic hamster went back on top.
Alright.
Last question. What is the smallest bone in the body?
I feel like this is a hard one.
This is a hard one, yeah. Oh, one person got it right. It's the stapes. This was quite hard, and we made the answers quite hard too. So the incus, stapes, and malleus are all like three tiny bones that are found in your eardrum, and the stapes is the smallest one. If you want to go on Google and search a picture of it, it really is tiny. We're talking like a millimeter, right? Yeah. So who was the winner?
Oh.
Give us
Let's
1
see
sec
the
to find out
leaderboard.
the leaderboard.
Ooh, okay.
We're back. Flying crab in
Well
third
done,
place.
flying crab.
Aquatic dolphin. Wow. Good job, guys.
Good job.
Whoever is aquatic dolphin, flying crab, and epic hamster, just write in the chat and give us your M number, and then we'll know to make sure that you get free subscription for the whole year.
Yeah, I'll just mute that.
Yeah. So
Next.
I hope that was quite fun.
This standing thing.
Yeah. So this is what we were going to say. If there are any questions, do let us know.
We had a question already, didn't we?
Yeah, and we'll answer the questions now. So, we do have questions. Oh, can't see the. Oh, all right. Okay, so we have epic hamsters written in.
Okay.
Theo Thompson. And so he's asked, do we get to dissect human bodies? Should I go?
Yeah, go for it.
Sadly, part of Henry Gray, we don't actually do dissecting. We've been looking to try and see if we can get that type of project going.
Yeah.
But in times like this, it's quite difficult with COVID and so on.
Yeah.
But the uni does have a dissection program every summer. And me and Chisim have both done it. We did it a year ago, last summer. And it was an amazing opportunity. I learned a lot.
Yeah.
Because most of anatomy that you were taught are like in textbooks. But dissecting a body, you can map out the images onto real life. And it helped us so much out in exams.
Yeah.
So although we can't give you dissection, we can definitely help you to apply for it. And I feel like anyone who's part of the society has a big upper hand on applying to be in that dissection program.
Yeah, like most of our society has been in the program as well. So so there's an application process for the program, and it just really helps to have like that familiarity with anatomy from the society. Also, like even at uni as well, as part of the normal course, you don't really get to dissect bodies or organs. They just like process, so they just show you the organs and show you what has been dissected already. But if you do like if you're third year biomed or you do an extra degree in it, then you can do more serious stuff. Yeah.
Definitely useful, and we can definitely help out with that.
Yeah.
We've got Dan George who asks, can any course join this society? Of course.
Yeah.
So part of Henry Gray this year is that we've decided to do very centered teaching to each year. So for example, if you're a JEP who's first year, you'll get teaching sessions only for JEPs who are in first year. And if you're a paramedic in first year, you can join and you'll get paramedic teaching for first year. We're planning on keeping it very centered to each year, so we don't mix and match different content, like you only learn what you need to learn. But yeah, definitely anybody can join the course. Anybody can join the society. Sorry. Yeah. I think that's all the questions that we got. We did want to ask if you could please use the QR code to get this little link that will take you to our mailing list, our Facebook and our Instagram. If you just follow each one and make sure that you turn notifications on. So the mailing list is very important because that's where we'll tell you which sessions, if you apply to be in a teaching session, that's where you'll get your mail from. Please make sure that it's your M number email, your university email, so we know who's who. And on our Instagram and on our Facebook, it's going to be all the questions we were talking about, cool facts and exam tips, clinical tricks. All those will be on our Facebook. And all our events, socials will also be on Facebook and Instagram. So make sure you follow and turn on notifications so you see when we have stuff available.
Yeah, that's basically it. All right, so thank you for watching, and
thanks guys. Have a nice time. Bye.
Have a great year.
Yeah, have a great year. We'll see you around.
We'll see you soon.